Introduction. Hi there. Are you curious about freelancing and want to know which skills can earn you the most? You're in the right place. In this 3-minute video, we'll explore the top freelancing skills that can pay well and are in demand. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what these skills are and how you can develop them. What is freelancing? Before we dive into the high-paying skills, let's quickly define freelancing. Freelancing is when you offer your skills and services to clients on a project-by-project basis, often from home or remotely. You get to choose your projects, set your rates, and work independently. Top-paying freelance skills. According to industry reports, the top-paying freelance skills are software development. With the rise of technology, companies need developers to build and maintain their software. Proficiency in languages like Java, Python, and JavaScript can earn you up to $100 per hour. Data science and analytics. As data becomes increasingly important for businesses, data scientists and analysts are in high demand. Skills like data visualization, machine learning, and statistical modeling can earn up to $150 per hour. Digital marketing. With more businesses moving online, digital marketing skills like SEO, social media management, and content creation are in high demand. Experienced freelancers can earn up to $75 per hour. Writing and editing. Companies need skilled writers and editors to create engaging content. Specialized skills like technical writing, copywriting, and proofreading can earn up to $50 per hour. Graphic design. With the growth of online content, graphic designers are needed to create visually appealing designs. Skills like UI/UX design, branding, and visual identity can earn up to $60 per hour. Why are these skills in demand? These skills are in high demand because they're essential for businesses to succeed in today's digital age. Companies need experts who can help them navigate the online world, create engaging content, and build software solutions. How to get started? If you're interested in developing these skills, start by taking online courses or certification programs, building a portfolio of your work, networking with other freelancers and potential clients, setting clear goals and rates for your services, tips for success to succeed as a freelancer. Remember, develop a strong online presence, including a professional website and social media profiles, continuously update your skills and knowledge to stay competitive, communicate clearly and effectively with clients, set realistic goals and rates. Recap and call to action. That's it. We've covered the top freelancing skills that can pay well and are in demand. Remember to always research and develop your skills, build a strong online presence, and network with other freelancers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on freelancing and online business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.